Hi guys, so I'm gonna be uploading two videos for the Jones Road Beauty because they're gonna be too long if I do it in one video. So the first one is gonna be swatches, which is one you guys are about to see now. And I'm gonna go over the boxes first. I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients, and then I'll go over swatches if you want to forward to that part. So yeah, and then the next video, which I will most likely upload today, is going to be this look. So on my face, I have on the Jones Road Beauty. I do have on a little RMS uncover up under my eyes and just like here and here, but otherwise everything else is Jones Beauty, except for the mascara too, because I didn't pick up the mascara, which I really wish I did. So, all right, thanks. Look what's here. Comes with a nice postcard. Look how nice. And now everything is wrapped in like craft paper, which is nice, environmentally friendly. I appreciate that. All right, so I'm just gonna open it like this. And so I picked up the starter kit, which comes in this baggie here. It looks like a lunch bag. It's so cute. Like, it's so simple, but it's so nice. And it's a reusable bag, which I love. There's a little clasp here. And let's see what's inside. All right. Oh, the packaging is so nice. It's like a soft pink with black text. Those are the ingredients. What is this? This is the dark brown eyeshadow, the best eyeshadow. So there you go, clean ingredients. Next is the Golden Peach Just a Sec eyeshadow. And also here are the ingredients. Next we have the Cool Gloss. Same ingredients. No, I'm sorry, not same. Here are the ingredients. The best pencil. And also there are some ingredients. Next we have the Miracle Balm. I have mine in Tawny. So this is, again, the box. And those are all the ingredients. All right, so now I have everything outside of their boxes. We're gonna do swatches now, because that's what we're all excited about, right? All right. Let's start off with the product that I'm most excited about. I mean, I'm excited about everything, but when I saw that Bobbi was going to do a face product and she called it Miracle Balm, I was like, I need it now. So here's the Miracle Balm. It's in like a plastic container. It says Jones Road, very like simple, to the point. I love it. I love the simplicity of it. All right, so I'm going to open this up. Ooh, that looks beautiful. So now if you watched her IGTV, she mentioned that with this particular product, you have to break the seal. So we're going to push it in and kind of warm up the product, and then I'm going to swatch it. I want to smell it first though. Oh, that smells so good. I don't know how to describe it. It's soft. Oh, it's very relaxing. Okay. All right. So I'm just going to start warming up the product. Ooh, that's very nice. Very creamy just from the top. So it's a little bit sheer and kind of like clear, but there is some color there. So I'm going to build up more color, and I'm going to swipe on the back of my hand. But now I'm going to break the seal. So I'm going to push. Just like that. See, now we have more color. And there you have it. Look at that. There's a beautiful glow to it, sheen, and the color is soft. You can build it up to get a color like this, or if you kind of lay it on very lightly, it won't be as deep. But it's beautiful and it feels amazing. It doesn't feel greasy. It just feels hydrating. And look, if you blend it out, the color does soften. So you can use it all over your face. It's not going to add too much color, but of course you can layer it on. I'll give you a close-up. There you go. I broke the seal, guys. Look at that. All right, next we are going to do the eyeshadow, the best eyeshadow. So this is nice. I'm excited to try this out. You can use it in your eyebrows. You can use it as eyeliner. You can use it as eyeshadow, whatever your heart desires. So here it is. Look at that. And I'm going to swatch it. Wow. That is intense. That is amazing. All right, let's. Whoa. That swatch is pigmented completely through. It's not like I started it and then it kind of disappeared. It was, this lightened up because I lifted my finger. That's very pigmented. All right. That's really good. I'm so excited about this. All right, next we're going to do the best pencil. So this is in the black shade, and this is what it looks like. And I just quickly just note, I love how, so you have the Jones Road text here, but the way this text, like it goes so nice together. I like it. All right. And I'm just going to show you. And that's the pencil. It is very black. Let's swatch it. That's nice. So the formula is a stiff formula. It is not like a gel pencil, but it's very nice. And it seems like it's going to be nice to blend out. So it's going to be a soft formula to work with in a sense where it's going to be easy to blend. It's going to be easy to work with. I like that a lot. Now we're going to take Just a Sec eyeshadow, which is a golden peach. Right? It's a golden peach eyeshadow. I'm going to open it up. And the top of this is the same color as the boxes, which is like that really soft pink. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. So I'm going to take my finger. Oh, that is an interesting texture. It's not dry, but it's not super creamy. It is kind of like a moussey texture. If you guys have used the Super Shock eyeshadows, it kind of reminds me of that texture. That is really nice. You can build it up too. That is beautiful. All right, and last but definitely not least, it's going to be the Cool Gloss, which is this one. And it has a peppermint scent to it, and it could be used as a highlighter for the face. So it's clear, but I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. Oh. Oh my God, that smells so good. So that's the gloss. And you know what? She's right. It does not feel like lip gloss. it doesn't feel like lip gloss. It almost feels, it feels more of a consistency of like a face gloss, but it's lighter. All right, we're gonna try these on, but I wanted to show you guys swatches first.